Hello, and welcome back to the channel. So, I just wanted to make a quick update video on some really exciting projects I have coming up. I actually just had a new one pop up for me that makes this whole video even more exciting than what I was planning to reveal, but we'll get into that. So I have a couple wrap projects coming up that I plan on doing full video installations for. The first one coming up should be one of the first, one of which is my good friend Nick Hahn's FL5 Civic, brand new generation of the Civic. And previously we've done the under wing graphics that he's been sharing all over the place, as well as I think we did some center console graphics, and he's been sharing this all over the place. I actually had a couple of requests of which I've finally been able to do some custom work for. I have a new designer on staff. Shout out to Marcus Shaw. That is my new designer. He's located in Savannah, Georgia. He owns a 350Z, which is really good looking. I'd like to see some graphics coming up on this pretty soon as well. But yeah, I've got my friend Nick's Civic coming in next. We're going to be doing a Red Bull can livery. This is something that I've actually designed a couple liveries for different cars, and basically just think of a Red Bull can, the different flavors. Depending on the color of the car, you can kind of choose different custom options for this. And yeah, I've done a few so far, and I'm going to be creating a product page on the website for you to order your own as well, fully customizable just like the rest of the liveries I do. And yeah, his will be the first in-house installation. As I said, we had previously done some anime graphics for the other side of his wing, as well as center console images here. Yeah, pretty sick, right? But yeah, he went with a My Hero Academia theme, and he named his car Midori. I believe that's right from the anime. Unfortunately, that's not one that I had personally really ever gotten into, but I have watched some really cool anime, and so we are going to be doing a Midori edition Red Bull energy drink can livery, which will look absolutely amazing on his green Civic. It's going to be cool. So yeah, instead of just normal flavors, we figured we'd switch it up with this. Yeah, super hyped for that. Let's see, what next? I mean, so after that, I've got Miaz the Gap coming up. We are in full swing preparation for this, baby. Oh, yeah. I've been posting everywhere. I've got special bundles being put together using I basically created this brand called Miatas in the Mountains about, 5 years ago now. Time flies. Yeah. But yeah, Miatas in the Mountains created an Instagram page and kind of just its own little separate brand to have as an outlet for my love of Miatas in mountains. Simple as that, really. But I've got some great designs for that so far, and I'm really happy with how this year's graphic came out for this. So I've got together a new t-shirt for this year, and it will come bundled with a bunch of stuff, like a bunch of different decals, matching slap sticker, and I will show a clip of this right here as well. Yeah, and I will also have a link below if you'd like to pre-order your own. I will, of course, have these available to order at the event, but it's always nice to pre-order and make sure that I have your size ready to go and I don't sell out, because it happens. But yeah, the Miaz of the Gap coming up. We are getting fully prepped for this. I'm so sad to say that I will not personally be having any of my vehicles here this time. It has just been a mess this year, getting everything ready for this, and yeah. The Subaru would be really cool to have up there. Hopefully I could take it up later this year to the Dragon, because the car will be an absolute blast up there. Absolutely. But yeah, I've got Meows the Gap coming up, and that is in 2 weeks now from the posting of this video. It's coming up quick. Yeah, no doubt. So, if you're watching this, come to the event, absolutely come by, say hi, all that good stuff. And finally, the probably the biggest wrap project I have taken on yet in my career. I don't want to jump the gun too close yet. So we're still a month out from this thing, and I just sent the invoice today. And of course, things could happen. But so here you go, the first sneak peek at this livery my designer Marcus just finished up on. This is a Ginetta G56 GTA, right? Absolutely crazy. I've been doing some research on these cars. I've never seen one in person. And so originally I thought we were just doing the design for this and I would be packing up and shipping the livery off to an installer local to the customer, which is in Georgia. He's about 6 hours north of me. My designer said, "Oh, has he gotten in touch with you?" He said he was looking to drop off the car and have you install. I'm like, the livery just finished being designed, and this is the first I was hearing of this. So a little bit of mixed communication with that one. But I got in touch with the customer today, and sure enough, he is indeed looking to drop off his new, just being delivered, Ginetta G56 GTA to my garage here for the next big livery installation. Oh man, like I'm hyped. I am pumped for this thing. And I am indeed planning on doing another full video installation of this livery. I've been having a blast doing this, honestly. I thought the last two projects came out absolutely incredible. I love having full documentation here on my YouTube channel for you all to see. The last being, of course, Ryan Sauer and his red line NC Miata. And previously before that, we've got the HKS S2000, which that came out so sick. So absolutely pumped to get the Ginetta in here. That should be coming mid to late August because, with Meows of the Gap coming up, obviously don't really have time before then in 2 weeks. And then the event, I'm going to be out the whole week for that. And then he's got a track day at Road Atlanta. So after that's coming up, I want to say around August 18th or so, I should be having that in. But definitely stay tuned for that. Let me know what y'all think of that livery. How'd that come out? I I dig it. We actually just finished up the print files for that today, and that's going to be really sick. Yes. So other than that, like I said, I just wanted to make a quick update video, what to expect here coming up. Definitely follow my socials and whatnot if you aren't already, and just seeing how everything's coming along. Of course, I got the old Porsche behind me here. I've got to take it apart, and I just actually posted that short here on YouTube today. Oh, taking out the thermostat with the old surprise waterfall. Don't know why I didn't see that coming, but yeah, I have a thermostat here, and the O-ring seal, definitely can't see this, but the old one was pinched in the O-ring, and the new one they sent is this brittle frickin' thing that will not press into place, so it's definitely not right. I checked the forums, and it's supposed to be like this O-ring that seals around the outside of the thermostat. Yeah, not placed over it. Weird. I don't know. But I have that as well as a short shift kit. I have a full shifter rebuild I got from only944.com. Seems like a pretty reputable source for some parts, and this shifter kit looks so good. So I'm actually going to be here wrenching on that a bit tonight. Yes. Oh, okay. Smells like smells like coolant now. That's awesome. Just got a little coolant from my thumb to my mic. Yeah. All right. So that is what is coming up here on the channel, as well as my Spinnywhoosh business. Definitely follow the socials to keep it up on all of those. Let me know which one you were most excited for. Is it Nick's Red Bull livery? Is it this freaking Ginetta? Oh my God. So wild. Just stumbling out words there. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope y'all are sticking around and are looking forward to these future videos coming up. I know I certainly am. I'm looking forward to videoing them for you. Until next time, my name's Scott. I run Spinnywhoosh, and thanks again for watching.